My name is Carlo Polidori. I'm the project manager of the SCREEN project on behalf of Lazio region, who is the coordinator of this project, gathering 17 European regions, trying to find a common approach towards the circular economy within the smart specialization strategy.
Circular economy from the perspective of EASME is about transformations and about innovations. And we look at circular economy that requires really systemic transformations of the entire system. That means going beyond technological innovations, looking at new business models, social innovation, new governance structures, and so on.
Policy Lab is a participatory platform having all the SCREEN partners and also the Commission services dealing with circular economy package, plus some others international organizations.
I would like to see that those products that we use would be designed in the early phase, originally for circular economy. So that would provide obviously a possibility for these products to be endlessly going in cycles, and we could be really getting out from the produce, use and dispose kind of society and really get it into the cycles.
The key deliverables are a common methodology through a common tool, a mapping tool to find circular economy value chains within the region, then to find cross-regional synergies. We are trying to find a new approach for your synergic use of funds in order to avoid all the barriers for financing cross-regional projects.
Well, I would like to say, for example, the importance of EU funding overall in terms of providing important financing opportunities for circular economy initiatives, therefore shouldering a lot of the risk that would not be taken by other financing programs or financial institutions, but also an important role for bringing the communities together and fostering interregional collaborations for circular economy.
And I want to underline that I hope that SCREEN will be a structural network in the future and not only Horizon 2020 project, which will be ended after the project finance of the European Commission.
There's been a real buzz in the room. I think we've covered a wide range of topics, stimulated a lot of discussion and generated a lot of really quality input from organisations and companies which are active day to day with the circular economy into the project. So really valuable input.